Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marza behind the camera as usual. Now this morning we are here in Cobla in Manchester with Mr. Bennett. It has been some time and many persons have been asking us how Mr. Bennett has been doing. So we're here this morning just to check on him, have a little talk with him and see, what his progress has been since the last time we would have seen him. All right, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a video, you will be notified. All right? Okay, Mr. Bennett.
Yes, ma'am.
How you do?
Not bad at all.
Oh my God. So we see. So guys, we come and we catch him this morning as usual on the farm.
Yes.
But it seems as if you're weeding some grass this morning.
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Yes, man. So people have been asking for you.
Yes.
Yes, and they want to know how you've been doing.
Well, I've been doing well. First thing, what I must tell my friends,
Yes.
right at this point, that I am getting a good rest. I
Yes.
sleep right through the night. Only go to the bathroom and urinate 2 times
Yes.
and go back to sleep. And I am enjoying the night with the Lord.
Yes.
Enjoying it, enjoying God, because God's mercy is endures forever, and that is what I intended to stay with God
Yes.
in every little way that I can, possible that I can. I want to stay with God because there is nothing that you can do that if you forget God, you're dead.
That is so true.
If you forget God, you're
Yes.
dead. And it's appointed that the man wants to die after death is judgment.
Yes.
And if you make that failure, you're lost.
Yes.
You lose yourself if you make that failure. Well, I decided to serve God because I started to work from I was 12 years of age.
Yes.
And I get robbery. I get robbery, good robbery. I get 3 acres of land with mall and house, and me uncle take it away from me.
Oh no.
Take it away from me, and I go back and try again. And when I buy, when I get to that, I buy another piece of place where the bank have it for sale. And I went to the bank, and I haven't got anybody to take responsibility to help me. And the bank manager alone helped me and give me all the collateral. And I stay with him.
Yes, yes.
And I've been doing well
Yes.
with the bank until I couldn't do no more. So all you have to do is live good,
Yes.
live right, trust God, and believe in God that you will carry on.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
Well, right now I can't speak so well. No.
You were saying that your speech got slower since the
Yes.
last time.
Since I got the stroke,
Yes.
I get slow.
Yeah.
With
But it's not a stroke after we did your last interview. It would have been that long time.
It's before. It's before.
Yeah.
So I have my garden here, and all these yams, me plant it, all these yams.
Yes.
I me kneel down, step on my knee,
Yes.
and plant it. I get the fruit. I get the fruit, but the fruit is too heavy.
Yes.
Can't stand up on it, and the stroke,
Yes.
and decide. It get me on this side
Yeah.
of my hand,
Yeah.
right side. It gets stroke.
Yes, and as a result of that, no, you're having challenge with the prosthetic leg.
Yes, I have a problem with the leg because the leg is too heavy.
Yes. Not able to lift it.
Can't lift it. You see, so I've been thinking about the little artificial light foot.
Yes. That's a metal one.
The metal one.
Yes.
Which is much lighter.
Lighter. Yeah.
So
which we don't know of that's here, because when we check that out, that is overseas.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I am overseas too, you know.
Yeah. You are right about that.
I'm overseas because when they don't see me over there, I say somebody overseas.
Overseas. Yes, man.
So therefore, I don't know how I can get any help. I need that help to organize it.
Okay.
And get the food.
Yes, to get that lighter one because you cannot manage this one too heavy.
Too heavy.
Okay.
Too heavy.
Because you have never worn it on the farm.
No, you can't come on the farm. Not even wheelchair can't come on the farm here. You have to use the knee. So
Yes.
I have to pad the
Yes.
knee.
So you have the padding on the knee now because I notice your pillow is right here.
Yes, I have the padding on the knee. That when I'm working and stone, we meet up on the stone.
Yeah.
We have the padding. Then me kneel and put the stumpy pan it like that, you know.
Yes.
Then and the stroke is on this side, same way too.
Yes.
You know, so
like even for this arm now, that you say you get the stroke on this side, you're not able to move it as...
no, I can't move it.
Yeah.
I can't move it as you would like it to be.
So it got worse since the last time we were here?
You know, so it get worse, you know, because you know it's cut off, it's halfway, but my mind no cut off.
Yeah.
My mind needs to work.
Yes.
Same way. So
Okay.
I've been drying some grass from these orange tree.
Yes.
And get them, you know, hopefully the next year or two.
You'll have oranges.
Maybe we can get oranges.
Yes, because you know guys, what's interesting, when we did the second interview with Mr. Bennett, Mr. Bennett would have shown us some orange seeds that he was drying in a little cover by his house, and now we are here again. I'm not too sure how long ago that was, maybe a couple of months away or close to a year or so.
Yes.
But look at the orange tree, he has since planted the seeds, and look at this. And it's not only one, there's one more down here.
There's several.
And there, yeah, so he has
Several.
planted them all around the property, and look at them looking beautiful and nice.
Yes. So
everything it seemed like you plant, Mr. Bennett, they come good.
it come good, man. Come good. It's only the fruit. The
Yes,
fruit here now. And I take my own time
yes.
and go on.
Oh wow. So all of what we're looking at here, you're going to weed everything from right here, so go all the way up?
Yes, I read on the line
Yes.
where the true fruit trees them are.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Trying to get the grass from around the orange
get
trees.
from around it.
Now we see that you have planted back the yams and you clean out the farm and it look pretty and nice.
Yes, one. Plant back the yam and they coming on very good. But I need somebody now to help me.
You need somebody to help you, don't want, Mr. Bennett?
To weed
it.
the yam and plant back the yam them. I drop out all the yam heads.
Yes.
All the yam heads them I drop them out already.
Yeah.
And
Oh, so you just drop them on top?
on the hill.
Oh, so they're not planted yet?
They're not planted yet.
Oh,
No, you see when you drop them on the hill,
Yes.
you can know how much you have. That you do over dig.
yes. But me notice you plant lettuce now way over the other side.
Yes, my son plant lettuce, but me and him not agree.
Okay.
Me and him not agree. Because in feisty,
Yes.
you don't have no manners. And if you serve God, you have to have manners.
Yes.
You have to look forward with life
Yes.
and know what you're doing. You can't just go on like a bully.
Yeah.
Bully and bad man. but me not decided bad with him because me one thing with me.
So, Mr. Bennett, how long you think it's going to take you to finish the weeding of this area?
I don't know how long, you know.
Yeah.
But I will do it daily.
Until you finish.
Little strength.
Yeah.
Me
So the
go.
sun no bother you because the sun is really hot today.
Well, it's so hot, man. All daytime, if me wait for rain, everything.
Yes.
Not done. If me was waiting and rain, you see,
Yeah.
because notwithstanding the dry weather,
Yes.
but there is many things then you have to do when the rain not falling.
Yeah.
So when the rain falling now, you have to move. you have to move.
Yeah, man. Absolutely. Okay, so guys, this is Mr. Bennett, and I know many of you have been asking how is he doing, and we're happy that we're able to come and actually do a recording today. But even though we have not been recording all the time, there are times when we really come and we'll drop in and say hello to Mr. Bennett.
Visit him.
Yes, so we always visit, but don't always record. But you know, we thought since persons have been asking, how are you? We thought that would show them, you know, how you've been doing. Okay, that's a stubborn one.
This he looks stubborn, but although stubborn, me stubborn more him. I'm more stubborn more him.
Yes.
How is the yam?
Marcel, how the yam? That's it. Marcel said the yam good, you know, he's quiet behind there and I say a thing.
Big muscle, Mr. Bennett.
Hi there.
Yeah, very big.
Very big.
Yeah.
Well, thank God for that.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Mr. Bennett, I don't know how you manage the sun, you know. It's really hot.
No, but you see what happens, see, when you have something to do,
Yeah, you just
you don't have to worry about the temperature, the time.
Yeah.
You just go on, trust the Lord,
Yes.
and go on. You take your time now, and pull where you can pull, move where you can move with, and the Lord will help you.
Yes. I like how you weed the grass though, Mr. Bennett. Some people I see they tend to chop the grass and they leave the roots in the ground.
Yes, well, some like them, they blow this now, where is high.
Yes, but these you can just pull right out.
What can pull out? You pull it out.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Well, the Lord is on our side, you know, because there are a lot of people died and losing life.
Yes.
And no return back nothing to the Lord. You understand?
Yeah.
They no return nothing to the Lord. They no give thanks.
Yeah.
But I have to give thanks because the Lord saved me, saved my life, that I can be here at this time.
Yes. So true, absolutely. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, you're going to pay some more visit?
What is that, Mr. Bennett?
You're going to pay some more visits for today?
For today, I don't think so, because based on where we are, we do have some visits, but it will take us a little time to get there. Yes.
Yes.
So we may have to put those off until tomorrow.
I thank you very much for you coming and to see that I don't did. I don't did.
Yes.
And I don't think, I feel sometimes like the life going now. I can't make it no more.
Yeah.
I can't make it. But by the grace of God, I'm going to make it.
Absolutely, man.
I have my granddaughter. When I see him play a bass guitar,
Wow.
play, you know,
Yeah.
Very good. Because I used to play music. You know.
Yes, you never tell us that part.
Yes, I used to play music, guitar, and when I see she come and take up the same
Yes.
shell, that I am.
You feel good about that.
Feel good about it.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Yes.
And I'm glad to see you and your husband
Yes.
looking very good, looking like a cherry in June. Look ripe.
Yes, you look ripe.
Look ripe.
Oh
look like cherry.
Yes. I guess I should say thank you for that.
Okay.
All right. So guys, this is it. We're happy that we were able to come and show you know how Mr. Bennett has been doing.
Progressive.
Yes. You hear the challenges that he has been having with the leg. The leg he's saying is too heavy, and that's mostly because he would have had a stroke. And so that side that he had a stroke and he's not able to move it so efficiently, it's not so flexible anymore, and he's not able to manage the weight of that leg. And as such, he's trying to get one of those that would be lighter, like one of those metal ones. I don't know if there's a specific name for that one, but I know the one that he's referring to, right? So I don't know if it is that there is anyone who can tell us how we are able to source one of those. Please let us know. I know that Mr. Bennett would be greatly appreciative of that information.
Appreciate it a whole lot.
Yes, yes.
I'm thankful. Oh, I would be glad for it.
Yeah.
Because if it not been for the stroke on this side,
Yes.
I know I could take the time and manage it.
Yes.
But this stroke is here.
Yeah. And regardless of what you're experiencing, you know, with your arm over here, you're still on the farm and doing what that you need to do.
Have to do it. Yes. Because right as it is now, since this year I sell seven and 900 yam.
Wow, 900 pounds a yam.
900 pounds a yam. And me come back now and dig the hill them myself.
Yes.
Dig the hill them myself.
Yes.
And I mold them, dig and mold them with shovel.
And the farm is looking good. It's looking
and sell
good.
yam stick them out there.
And you jam all of them yam stick there?
No, me can't jam it.
Oh, okay.
What me do, me dig the hole.
And somebody
put it in.
Okay, okay, but you do everything else. All right, Mr. Bennett.
Yes, ma'am.
Glad we are able to come. Happy that you are doing well.
I'm doing the best that I can.
Yes.
Not too well.
Yes.
But I'm doing the best that I can. And I will try my best to do the best that I can once I'm alive.
Yes. We can see that. Yes.
Well, the hand now. A 40 leg. In the grass.
Yeah.
Down there. And it bite me. Bite me and swell up this hand. The same one you felt about the draw, don't know.
Yes, how long ago was that?
Last week, Tuesday.
Oh no.
And it swell up the hand. And me a doctor give me some medication and me rub it.
Yes.
And he take it down.
Yes.
Drop it down. It had the bad hand, you know.
Yeah. It all turned good hand now.
Yeah,
I pray that it will start working efficiently.
It has strength to feel it.
It feel Oh yes, man. Yes, strength in it. Don't take it lightly.
No.
Not because.
It's all over
the shoulder part. Yes.
But as numb.
Yes.
Numb inside.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But I'm glad for you people.
Yes.
Glad for you people.
Yes,
Glad.
Mr. Bennett.
Very glad for you. It's only that I don't have nothing to give you.
Oh, that's all right. Because like I said before, we normally come and visit, and every time we visit, you're always giving us something. So if there's nothing today, we are quite fine.
That's right. That's right.
Oh my God. All right, all right. All right, Mr. Bennett.
All right.
This is where we end the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good.